separate paper we give them, which is a special paper considering their special ability. Extra time also we give them. Special sitting arrangement, preferably on the ground floor. Nearest examination center, that is also given. Scribe or the reader or writer is also granted to them. And enlarged print of question paper, this is for visually impaired candidates. We allow them to drop the second language and offer them to take subjects like painting, cookery, data processing, or it is astronomy, etc. There is another facility which is also given to them. This is computer-based examination for visually impaired candidate. These are the special schools. You can see Sanjay Centers for Special Education, who have sponsored 26 students. All of them have passed. St. Xavier's Academy, Port Goa, 16 have appeared, 16 have passed. And Lok Vishwas Pratishthan's Virani Isani High School for HR, hearing impaired children, 4 of them appeared, 4 of them have cleared. And Lok Vishwas Pratishthan's IJ Virani and NI Virani School and Home for Visually Impaired Children. 1 candidate appeared and he has cleared this examination. This is the number of the candidates in the range. So 46 to 59 we generally call as a second class, or 60 and above, that is a first class percentage, and 75 and above. So you can see 2,385, they are in that 46 to 59 range. 5,425, they are in the top range, that is 75 to 100. And 8,921, majority of the people who have passed this examination, they are in that range. So average marks, that is what we have worked out, is 394 out of 600. So the total marks scored by all the candidates who have passed divided by total number of the marks. So it works out to be 394, which is in the 65, close to 65. Social category wise results you can see among the general category and from the regular candidates. 14,381 have appeared, 13,656 passed, 205 they are placed in needs improvement category. That means they have not cleared either it is more than 2 subjects. And this is the concept of allowed to keep terms. That means these are the candidates who are left with only 2 subjects. So that is how if they fail in 2 subjects, they are allowed to keep the terms. So 520 candidates are placed in ATKT category. So this result is 94.96%. Among OBC, 2,422 have appeared, 2,354 have cleared, 15 are placed in needs improvement category. That means they have to again answer the examination, and 53 are placed in ATKT. So ATKT, they will be allowed to keep the terms in class 11, and simultaneously they can clear their 2 subjects while they answer their examination in 11th standard. So that percentage is 97.19%. In SC category, 234 appeared, 222 passed, needs improvement 2 and ATKT 10. So that percentage is 94.87%. ST category, 1,800 appeared, 1,729 cleared the examination, 23 are placed in needs improvement and 48 are in ATKT category. So that percentage is 96.06. So overall 631 students, they will be in 11th standard under that category ATKT. This is that category that you can see. So these ATKT candidates, they will have to clear the class 10, otherwise their result of class 11 will not be declared. And this they will have to do it in 2 years of time. You can see this Taluka-wise enrollment and the result. Bhardesh, 54 aided schools are there which are funded by the government, 2 are unaided, 3 are government, 3,356 have answered this examination and 3,188 cleared the examination. That pass percentage is 94.99%. Bicholi, 18 aided schools, no unaided schools, and 11 government schools. They have sponsored 1,336 candidates, and 1,316 they have cleared the examination, and this percentage is highest one, 98.50. Kankona, 13 aided schools and 6 government schools have sponsored 586 candidates. 562 have cleared, that percentage is 95.90. Dharbadara, 9 aided schools and 2 government schools have sponsored 301 candidates. 287 have cleared the examination. The pass percentage is 95.35. Kepe, 12 aided schools, 2 unaided schools and 7 government schools have sponsored 1046 candidates, and 979 have cleared the examination. The pass percentage is 93.59. Murmugaon, 27 aided schools, 1 unaided schools and 7 government schools have sponsored 1635 candidates. 1520 have cleared. The pass percentage is 92.97. Pedne, 27 aided schools, 1 unaided, 6 government schools have sponsored 977 candidates. 956 have passed. This percentage is 97.85%. Fonda, 43 aided schools, 2 unaided and 7 government schools sponsored 2,208 candidates. 2,099 have passed, and the pass percentage is 95.06%. In Salset Taluka, out of 62 aided schools, 2 unaided schools and 4 government schools have sponsored 3,880. This is the maximum enrollment or the maximum registered candidate, and 3,671 have cleared the examination. That pass percentage is 94.61. In Sangay Taluka, 6 government aided schools and 6 government schools have sponsored 406 candidates. 384 they have passed, and pass percentage is 94.58%. In Sattari Taluka, 8 government aided schools and 14 government schools. 706 candidates have appeared for this examination. 690 have cleared, and this percentage is 97.73%. Tiswadi, 39 aided schools, 1 unaided school and 5 government schools have sponsored 2,400 candidates. 2,289 have cleared this examination, and the pass percentage is 95.38%. There was another facility of 7 subjects. So 6 core subject plus 1. This is the skill subject. So number of the candidates appeared for these 7 subjects. This was 8,802, and 8,717 have passed. The pass percentage is 99.03%. 576 candidates passed the examination, taking the benefit of 7 subjects. So that percentage is, you can see, this is for sports merit marks. 6,826 have availed the facility of sports merit marks. Number of the candidates who have passed this examination with the help of sports merit marks, this is 214, and that pass percentage is 1.2%. You can see this 7 subject: automobile, IT, IES, retail, beauty and wellness, apparel, construction, telecommunication, you can see, logistics, tourism and hospitality, electronics, agriculture, solanaceous crop, plumbing, you can see, healthcare, home health aid, banking, financial services and insurance. These are all NSQF subject, and beside that, board has also given a facility to allow them to answer this subject like finance, health and physical education, electronics, garment cutting and sewing, horticulture and astronomy. So this was the 7th subject. So by taking this 7th subject, if they pass in any 6 subjects, they will be promoted. And this is subject wise passing percentage, and the highest marks in major subjects. So this is English FL, first language. The pass percentage is 98.22 and 97 is the highest score. Only one candidate secured his highest marks. Hindi second language, the pass percentage is 99.47. 97 is the highest score. 3 candidates they have secured these marks. Marathi third language, 99.66, 98 is the highest and 2 candidates they have secured this highest marks. Konkani third language, the pass percentage this is 99.55 and highest score is again 98 and 1 candidate has secured this marks. Urdu TL, Sanskrit TL, the pass percentage is 100%. Along with Arabic TL, French TL, this is 100%. And here Urdu TL, the highest marks is 99. 3 of them they have secured these highest marks. Sanskrit 98 is the highest mark. 13 of them they have secured these highest marks. Arabic TL, this is 98. 1 have secured. And French TL, the highest score is 99. 4 of them have cleared. 4 of them have secured these highest marks. Portuguese, this is 99.64. This is the pass percentage. 98 is the highest score and 10 of them they have got this highest marks. Mathematics regular, 99.24 is the percentage, pass percentage. Full score is 100. So also in basic mathematics, the full score is 100. In regular, 7 of them have secured these highest marks and 3 of them have secured in basic mathematics, which is level 2. But in basic mathematics, the pass percentage, this is 95.15. I'll show you the statistics in the next slide. In science, the highest score is 100. 29 of them have secured this highest marks, that is 100. And the pass percentage, this is 96.87. Social science, which is history and geography, this is highest score is 100. 45 of them have secured this highest mark and the pass percentage is 97.08. These are those skill subjects. Health and physical education as a 7th subject. Pass percentage is 99.95% and 99, this is the highest score. 1 student has secured his highest mark. Fine arts and astronomy, the highest score is 100 and count is for fine arts it is 5 of them have secured this 100 mark and astronomy 26 of them have secured this highest marks. The pass percentage in astronomy is 96.97 and fine arts this is 99.17. You can see the performance here. In regular maths, we had started this subject in 2021, that was a COVID time, and 5,000, now this year 5,914 they have appeared, 5,869 have cleared and the percentage is 99.24. Basic mathematics, again we had started this in 2021. Now the count here or the number of the students who have appeared is 12,416. 11,841 have passed and percentage is 95.37. Astronomy we had started 2 years back. This is 760 have appeared this year. 737 is the number of the students who have passed. The percentage is 96.97. Fine arts, the count is 121, whereas 120 they have passed. So only 1 student have failed and 99.17 is a pass percentage. And health and physical education we had started this year. 2,775 they have appeared and 2,746 have cleared. The pass percentage is 98.95. You can see this Taluka-wise number of schools with 100% results. So Bardes, 1 government schools, 23 aided schools and 2 unaided schools. So total is 26. So 26 schools they have secured 100% marks in Bardes. Bicholim, 7 government schools, 10 aided schools, none of the unaided schools. So 17 have secured 100% result. Kankona, 2 government schools and 6 aided schools. So total 8 schools result is 100%. Dharbadoda, 2 government schools, 4 aided schools. So total 6 schools have secured 100% marks. Kepe, 9 schools have secured 100% marks, of which 5 are from government schools, 3 are aided schools and one is the unaided schools. Mormugao, none of the government schools have secured 100% marks. So 4 aided schools and 1 unaided. Total 5 schools they have secured 100% marks. Pedne, 5 government schools, 15 aided schools and 1 unaided. So total 21 schools they have secured 100% marks. Fonda, 20 aided schools, 1 unaided and 3 government schools. So total 24 schools have secured 100% marks. Salsette, 22 aided schools and 1 government schools have secured 100% marks. Sangem, 3 government schools and 2 aided schools have secured 100% marks. Sattari, 14 schools have secured 100% marks, so of which 11 are government, 3 are aided schools. Tiswadi, 11 aided schools, 1 unaided and 3 government schools have secured, so total is 15 schools have secured 100% marks. So you can see the percentage here. Out of 78 government schools, 55% schools have secured 100% marks. Out of 318 government aided schools, 123. So that works out to be 39% have secured 100% marks and 64% of the unaided schools have secured 100% marks. So total 43% schools of 407 out of 407 have secured 100% marks. We have requested all the schools to form a committee to attend the queries raised by the candidate, maybe H, I, something like that, related to the examination, related to the result. So if there is a counselor, if it is available, we have also included, we have requested them to include them in that committee. And for further assistance, they can contact this office or to the assistant secretary. The mail ID is already given here. There is a facility of verification of marks. There are 3 kinds of facilities. One is verified photocopy of the answer books. 350 is per subject is a fees, and the last date is 15th April. So also somebody wants to verify the marks in absentia, so which will be the responsibility of the board. It is last date is 15th April. So the cost here it is 100 rupees. And re-evaluation with the entire paper will be rechecked. So the last date is 19 April. The cost is per paper it is 700 per subject. All candidates who wants to verify their marks, they will have to approach the schools, make a request, and the schools will prepare the list of all these candidates for various facilities, and in a one lot only they will send it to us. Candidates need not come to this office for any queries pertaining to this verification applications. This is entirely, it is an online process. The portal will be open from 11th of April, and they will have to send their request and the fees in a one lot. We have said if you are applying for a verified photocopy and or re-evaluation, there is no point in applying for verification of marks in absentia. So heads of the institution, they should categorically inform the candidate under the verified photocopy facility the total marks. In case if there is any total marks or there is an unassessed answers, if we found, then we will directly send it to the re-evaluation and it will not be charged extra. So no candidate will be permitted to apply for verified photocopy, verification in absentia. That means all 3 together they need not apply. They can apply only for 2. Verification, either you can apply for a verified photocopy and re-evaluation, or you can apply for a verification in absentia and then apply for a re-evaluation. In this case, we are not going to hand over the result to the candidates or the parents at the distribution centers. Parents should not visit this office for any queries. The committee will attend all the queries, and for further queries they can always write it to or they can communicate to us. Only in case of private and the ITI candidates, they can collect their mark sheet from the assistant secretary of this office. There is another examination, those who are disqualified in this examination, for them, and those who have missed the examination for various reasons, medical reasons, or they are not prepared for their examination. There is another opportunity for them to answer this examination, which is a supplementary examination, The tentative date for supplementary examination is 5th May 2025. ATKT candidates, they will have to clear their two subjects or it is one subject. Needs improvement candidates also will have to appear for this examination. And candidates, it looks like the online portal, the net copy will show more than 33. The total is more than 33, but still there will be I grade. So if there is a I grade or there is a H grade, it means this is disqualified in that particular subject. So wherever there is a I and H is the overall grade, those subjects they will have to clear. These are all online services of the board. You can see the teachers information, teachers remuneration, migration certificate, enrollment, and our sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramodji Sawant, Chief Secretary Government of Goa, Secretary Education, Collector North, Collector South, Director General of Police, Superintendent of Police North, Superintendent of Police South, Director of Health Services, Principal Chief Engineer PWD, Principal Chief Engineer Electricity Department, Government of Goa, for rendering their wholehearted support in smooth conduct of this public examination of March 2025. Director General of Police for providing police security force through his sub-offices all over the state for this task. We are grateful to him. We are also grateful to the management of the high schools, President of Headmasters Forum, all headmasters, teachers, non-teaching staff of high schools, PTAs of high schools, conductors, observers, Vigilance Committee appointed for this task. Board sincerely appreciate the head of the institution and their team for rendering their support, invaluable support in ensuring the smooth conduct of examination assessment program. This is the first time that we had carried out this assessment program at 8 centers. Earlier it used to be 2 or 3 centers. Pedne Government Higher Secondary Schools, Bicholim Government Central High School, Mapsa St. Vito High School, Kujira it is Mustifan High School, Fonda Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School, Margaon Loyola High School, Kukkadim Maria Bambina Convent High School, Kepe Holy Cross Institute. These are those 8 schools. We are also grateful to Director of Education for his support in the entire exercise. So also grateful to Chairman GDC for his support in providing the services of counselors at all the centers. And of course, the last but not the least, you all electronic media, print media, for your support, cooperation, for giving wide coverage for the examination related matters. This is my team who has supported me in the entire exercise. And we wish all the candidates all the best and congratulations. Thank you all. Any questions?
आम्ही गोंयचे प्रश्न मांडटात, फकत राजकीय न्हय, सामाजीक सांस्कृतिक.
तुमचे जिणेकडेन जोडपी आमचो टीम, तुमचो टीम.
आम्ही तुमचे प्रश्न मांडटात.
तुमचे प्रश्न आमच्यो जापो, आमचो संघर्ष तुमचे खातीर.
आम्ही लढटात गोंया खातीर, आमचे सोपुल्ले गोंय सांबाळून दवरपा खातीर.
तुमचो टीम, गोमंतक टीव्ही. दाभाळ पंचायत क्षेत्रांतल्या किल्लपाल गांवांत आमी आसात. महेश पाटील हांगा एक बरें सुंदर एनवी फार्म डेवलप केला. आमी हुर्राक हो प्रोसेस हांगा समजून घेवपाक आयल्यात. हुर्राक हो गोंयचें एक निजाचें ड्रिंक अशें मानतात. ताका तर सद्या इतलें डिमांड आसा की हुर्राक कसो तयार जाता आनी ताचे नंतर फेणी ही प्रोसेस. सो गोंयच्या एक सासायेचो हो एक भाग आज जाला आनी तो खूब जाण विशेषतः महेश पाटील धरून असे कितलेशे जाण आसात जे सामके ऑथेंटीक हो असो सोरो तयार करतात. आनीक हांवें म्हणलें तशें ताका एक 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 सासाय संबंद ह्या हातून आसा. एक ऑथेंटीक गोवन ड्रिंक म्हणून तुमी खंयच्याय हॉटेलान 5 स्टारान सुद्दां हुर्राक मेळटा. तो कसलो प्रोसेस खंयच्यान कितले ऑथेंटीक कळना, पूण आमी जंय उबे आसात एनवे फार्मान थंय एक ऑथेंटीक तो प्रोसेस जाता. आनीक अंदाज आमी पळयतात मार्चान काजूची फळां लागतात. ती जशी सकयल पडली की ती पुंजावप, ताजे बी काडप, ताजें जें पळय फळ आसा तें घेवप, ते पांयान माड्डप, हो सगळो जो पळय प्रोसेस आसा हो एक खूब पळोवपा सारको प्रोसेस तो आमी तुमकां आज दाखोवपाचे आसात. एक लक्षांत घेयात, ह्या सगळ्या काजूक एक इतिहासूय आसा. काजू हें फळ गोंयचें न्ही. अशें मानतात की पोर्तुगीजांनी ते काजू गोंयांत हाडले. इतल्या खातीर कारण आमच्यो पळय दोंगर आसा ताची पालसणां कोसळटालीं, भूस्खलन जातालें आनी तें जमीन माती घट धरून दवरपाक अशे तरेचें एक झाड तांकां जाय आशिल्लें जाचें मुळां भितर मेरेन वतात आनी ती जमीन घट दवरता. आनी म्हणून पोर्तुगीजांनी अशें मानतात की ब्राझिलाच्यान हें काजू फळ हाडलें. ते इतले पातळे की ते काजू पासून बी वापरताले, पूण ह्या फळा पासून कितें करचें अशे तरेचो विचार सुरू जालो आनी